Beautiful Thun Farms, Washington, New Jersey. Hey, we were there. I'm gonna go inside. Nice, huh? All kind of stuff. What are they, puzzles? Yeah.
These are silk sunflowers.
I'd like to have that. This is where Janelle got me that pickled garlic. Ooh. Corn relish, jalapeno. I like all this stuff. Yeah, it's nice. Look at that. It's like the Roloff's farm. They have corn mazes and festivals. And they got their own meat. Meat. I like meat.
Okay. Check this out. Moonshine jelly.
What's that, bear jam?
Bear jam. Blackberry, elderberry, apple, and raspberry.
Oh, B-E-A-R.
Yeah. Look at this traffic jam.
You can eat that while you're driving, huh? I think Josh should make one of these. Or some of these.
This is peaches, strawberries, cherries, red raspberries, cranberries. All kinds of jam.
Tomato jam.
So nice.
More good stuff. Pez. When was the last time you saw a Pez?
Look at the sunflower heads.
What are they doing there?
I probably letting the birds eat them.
Oh. What does it say? Oh, yeah. Oh, you're supposed to buy them. $2 each. They're already picked out, aren't they? How about them? Josh made a big better flag than that.
That's for sure.
He can make these.
Yeah.
Soap. Soap. Nice.
A bucket of tomatoes is $20. Look at the sign.
How big is a bucket?
I don't know. Let's look at the sign now.
Alright.
That's when you put your own, I guess.
Oh. Well, maybe this is a bag for fall. Huh.
That's probably like a pound. Let's look outside and see
That's
what's
how you know how much you're going to put in there, huh?
Yeah.
Look at these. 20 bucks. That's 20 bucks. That's a lot for that, I think. Oh.
Yeah, that's like a souvenir.
Peaches, you want some of them? We're going to look around outside and then buy our stuff before we leave. We got a big chair. Ooh, spooky. Yeah, they have Halloween events here too. Oh, you want your picture taken with a pig?
Yeah.
Say cheese.
I didn't mean you.
Oh, the pig's over here?
Hey, look at the John Deere chair.
Yeah. Right next to the boneyard. That's creepy looking, isn't it? Big butterfly back there, can you see that? You can pay to go through these gates and take a tour of, oh, that's where they have berry picking. Strawberries, blueberries.
To the left, you'll see a sunflower field.
Oh, way back there, look.
Close up on it, see what you see.
Sunflower field back there, see it? Pretty far away. Oh, that's like a maze. They have festivals and events here. I know I said that already. But it's a fun place. And it's early in the morning, it's 10 a.m., so it's not too crowded. But I imagine it would get crowded.
Oh, that's not nice.
There's pigs up here, you say?
Pig's up here, I want to pet it.
Oh, you gotta pay to pet a pig. Oh, how tall am I? I don't think that's accurate, do you? Huh? Might be. He was about that tall, ossifer. Duck races. Man. Neat. Man. Straw maze, barnyard bouncers. Oh, pedal carts. Oh, there's the pigs. Time to eat, pig. You're not gonna pet that pig, are you?
Oh, look at the little piggy butts. That's mine.
Hmm?
You're so pretty. Yeah.
She's petting the pig.
You are a nice piggy. You're sweet.
Hey, Arnold.
Yeah. Soft ears.
Wow.
I like the little piggy. The pretty little eyes. I love it. That feels good. So nice. You're so relaxed.
I don't think I ever petted a pig.
You gotta.
Probably bite me.
No, he's happy.
I probably smell like his mom.
He's happy piggy.
Scrapple.
No, you don't talk like that to a pig.
You wanna record me touching a pig?
Oh, no, he's a nice piggy. He's a nice little piggy. Doesn't he feel nice? Pet his ears, he likes it.
He'll get away quick.
Oh, soft piggy.
You gonna have a good life? Are you sleeping? Huh?
Oh, he's
Are you sleeping?
talking to you.
What kind of food do you eat? I see a tomato plant there. You're not eating that. Are you gonna wallow? Wallow for me. Show the wallowing pond.
Yep, he got his butter and he got a tomato.
What's over there? Some other kind of animal.
I know, I love this one. I love this little one. Oh, oh God, this is so sweet.
Let's get over here. Oh, that's here.
What's the chicken?
Now you want to pet a chicken.
It's so nice.
Chicken.
You gotta be quiet now. That's a little chicken.
Hey, I say, hey, you need a rooster around here?
That's a little chicken.
Pay attention to me when I'm talking to you, boy.
That's a little chicken.
Whoa. Moidle.
Here, I'll pet you. Hello, little girls. Little girls.
You're not going to pet a chicken too, are you?
I wouldn't if I let me.
No.
Chicken? Yeah, can I pet you?
Bagok?
Can I pet you? I'd like to hold it.
Chicken.
Hello, little girls.
Get to work. Over easy. Over that in red.
Hello, little chicken. Come over and say hi. Come here, I'll pet you. Thanks, little chicken. You're so pretty.
She gonna do it. She gonna do it.
Come up here.
She gonna get pecked.
Let me see what you're doing. Let me pet you. Hey. Little chicken, you got nice feet. Can I pet you? Oh, no.
She likes me better, see?
Pet her.
Oh. One corn cobs in there.
Hey, what pretty feathers. What pretty feathers you have. Little chicken, come here. Come here. Come on, say hi. Pet you.
Bee barn, let's look at this. Oh, one went right by my head, yeah.
I think we're close enough.
To the bee barn?
Look at them all. Really close up on
Let it be, let it be. Please let them be.
Watch your P's and Q's.
Beep beep bumble in the stingers, not the hoop or regional stingers. They're busy.
Thinking, honey?
They're probably thinking about it. That big barn is the bee barn. Ooh, I see it. Hives in the back. See? Oh, there's a sassy man. Oh, yeah. They make funny noises, huh?
See them?
I don't know. Little ponies over there?
Yeah.
I bet they like standing on that roof, huh? Looks like they raised it a couple times.
Yeah.
Here you got the shear shop. Where's a Gotel? Gotel Motel. I wonder what the last one says. Oh, they can climb up top there. I bet they like that, huh? Donkey dollar. Okay. Look at little Ed. Ed Jr. I got no food. I'm sorry. How are you today? Huh? You like this little mini Mr. Ed? Yeah, they might bite you though. You know, they could bite you quick. Now that's the Gotel. I bet he don't climb up that ramp. Oh, the burrow. The burrow. Hee-haw. Say it. Say it with me. Hee-haw.
This little boy wants to feed him.
This is Chance the mini horse. This is a donkey. You know what I mean?
He likes it. He likes it.
Hee-haw.
No, he likes it. Go ahead, Tony. Okay, go. Let me take a picture of you.
Check this plow out. McCormick, Denning, Deaning. We will go shop now. This is a pretty fancy lobster truck in the middle of the farm. Oh, TMZ today. Oh, their History Channel. See that? That's a famous one. Maybe you saw that on TV. They got big screens on the other side. I'll show you. Nice. See the screens?
Yeah.
But that costs a lot of money, this truck, huh?
All right, let's go back in the shop and get some goodies to take home.
You have fun here?
Yeah, I like it.
Would you recommend it?
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff, especially for kids to do.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then if you go out and pick your own things, one day we'll come down and pick some apples, all right?
Yeah, you can go in there and pick apples, raspberries, strawberries, yeah, blackberries.
Yeah, all that stuff. Hey, you better get on this tractor so I can take your picture. I could see you driving this around the yard.
Oh, living is the life for me. Man, spreading out so far and wide. Keep Manhattan, just give me that countryside.
Hey, you look natural on there.
Yeah.
Looks like fun.
Let's go look at some lobster. It's a lobster field.
Oh, where's the truck? Oh, there's a lobster food truck. McCormick Farm All.
That's the gear shift pattern up there. There we go. 4 feet.
Give us a viewpoint from the top down.
Yeah. If you don't know how to shift, this one's backwards. See? Ain't it neat?
Nice. Just think how much work this thing did.
We can go to a pizza place in this, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, it did a lot of work. Nice.
Alright, so we found some things in the store that look good. We got some nice tomatoes for sandwiches, and some honey sticks,
Horseradish mustard.
and some beer jam. I definitely have to try that.
Okay, there's so much we don't know what to pick, right?
Rick, do you want to try some donuts when we get home?
Apple cider donuts. Yeah, do you?
Alright, let's take some of them.
Alright. It was fun, huh? Was it a fun tour?
Yeah, it was great.
Okay.
Let's go check out.
Maybe we'll see something else on the way. Check them out on Facebook.